Confection is a fashion business that has penetrated from cities to village. One of them is Mr. Ahmad Husnan Confection in the village of Kedungbang, Tayu Pati, Central Java. Clothes are a major requirement for humans. Therefore, business in this field is in great demand by businessmen. In this year, when almost all non-food companies experience a crisis due to the coronavirus pandemic that has hit all over the world, one of which is Indonesia. Behind the success of the clothes, there is an inspirational figure from a small village, namely Kedungbang. He is Mr. Ahmad Husnan, a pioneer of clothing confection for children to adults that has penetrated the modern market. On this occasion, our group wants to see how the confection can exist in running its business.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And we are from Group 1. My name is Hendro Prayitno, 039.
My name is Ella Maftuha, 061.
And my name is Ismatul Zulaikha, 058.
Today we were going to visit a company production in the confection area. Over there we will see how dressmaking process from a process making ready-made suit. The production is commonly referred to as the shirt confection, located in the Kedungbang village, Tayu district, Pati, Central Java.
Okay guys, follow us. Okay guys, we arrived at confection location.
And we will meet the manager of this home industry, Mr. Ahmad Husnan at Kedungbang village. Permisi Pak, kami dari Universitas Merah Kudus ingin melihat dan meliput bagaimana proses pembuatan baju secara keseluruhan.
Excuse me sir, we are from Universitas Muria Kudus. We will show and report how the process of making clothes of all.
Dan kami ingin bertanya mengenai beberapa informasi terkait konveksi ini.
And we will ask to you about the several information that related to this confection.
Sudah berapa lama Bapak membangun bisnis ini?
How long had it has been standing, sir?
5 tahun.
Berapa banyak karyawan yang bekerja di sini Pak? Apakah itu semua dari tetangga?
And how many the employees that work in this confection? What is it from your neighbor or else?
100 lebih. Sebagian tetangga, sebagian yang di cabang-cabang dia dari desa itu sendiri.
Berapa banyak jumlah baju dalam sekali produksi Pak? Dan bagaimana sistem kerja karyawan di sini?
How many of clothes that had in one production, and how the system work of the employees in production?
Satu PO itu paling sedikit 2.500, paling banyak 3.500. Sistemnya burungan.
Sejauh ini, apakah ada kendala atau halangan yang Bapak miliki dalam menjalankan usaha?
So far, has your effort had a problem with the production process, and it's like your difficulty of to get the product or else?
Kendalanya kalau dikejar deadline sama kalau ada mati lampu.
Misal bahan baku sulit didapat atau hal lainnya, ada yang lain?
Kalau itu semenjak dari awal sampai sekarang nggak ada kendala kalau telat kerjaan.
Berapa omset yang diperoleh Bapak dalam sekali produksi? How many omset that you have got in this home production in one production?
Ya 30-an juta kurang lebihnya. Tapi kalau per bulan tidak kurang dari 100 juta.
Bagaimana proses pemasaran dari produksi baju ini, Pak?
Prosesnya itu langsung ada yang masarin di Jakarta, itu masuknya di Matahari sama di Ramayana Robinson.
Ini Bapak memulai produksi ini benar-benar mulai dari nol atau ada bantuan dari orang lain atau melalui orang dalam dari Matahari sendiri?
Dia melalui orang lain sama mas saya di Jakarta.
Okay, this is some of the result of the confection production sample, like this.
Summer Confection is one of the confection branch owned by Mr. Ahmad Dusnan. This confection is located next to the village of Kedungbang, precisely in the village of Bulungan. This confection produces clothes for children and adults. One of the uniques of the clothes here is the scrap brush batik. Well, this shirt is a creative result of batik clothes, so that it has a high selling value. The marketing of the business has reached big cities, namely Jakarta and its surroundings.
Before being converted into cloth, the fabric undergoes the process of sewing and cutting. The fabric had been cut according to the sewing pattern by sewing machine by the following shapes that been made.
All the clothes were shown except the neck, both arms, and the outside of the clothes. And after all the clothes that were shown, then the clothes will go through the process of press with press aging, like that. Press process is the process of the clothes. The sewing use 3 types of the yarn to prevent the clothes woven clothing from fading.
Okay, after all the process, this is one sample of the product in this confection. Now, this product ready to export to several places such as Matahari, Ramayana, and other places. Thank you.
Okay, that's some information from the data we got about confection production at Kedungbang village.
If we make some mistakes, please forgive us.
Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.